See, math object is there in Java also. Math object is there inside. Actually, in Java, we have math class. But in JavaScript, we pronounce math object. Purpose is same only. The JavaScript math object allows us to perform mathematical task on numbers. So whenever you want to do any mathematical operations, we need to go for math. So see here what I'm going to give you today. Today I will give you purpose of math object. See this document.write ln. Here I'm giving math object. I need seal value 10.5. And then I want to take BR. BR means break line. Seal means what? Your top value. You know, ceiling fan. Ceiling fan means what? Top fan. So that is called ceiling fan. So tell me 10.5 means who is the top value? 11, 10.5, 10.6, 10.7, 10.8, 10.9, 11. So 11 will come the seal value. See this? Refresh. Similarly, we can go for what here? Floor value. Floor means down value. So 10.5 means what it will come? 10. Why? 10.5, 10.4, 10.3, 10.2, 10.1, 10.0. I mean 10.0, nothing but 10 only. And here I need to make it which value? Floor. Floor value we should take. So now you do this. Understood my point here? So similarly, we can go for one more example. Here I can go for what here? Round value. 10.56. Refresh. So 10.56 means what happened, I will tell you. Round means nearest value. Which value? Nearest. From 0.5, it will take seal value. From 10.4 below, it will take floor value. So tell me 10.5, what is coming? 11, no doubt. But tell me if I'm using the same 10.3, now 10. So see this here, 11 here, 10. Refresh. So round is nothing but which value? Nearest value. Who is the nearest? From 5, it will take seal value. Below 5, it will take floor value. Similarly, we have a truncate. Truncate is also there. Truncate. Truncate, what it will do? It will remove the decimals. How many decimals you have? 0.56. It will remove. So what is the output will come? So many people, they don't know what is the difference between this round value and truncate value. Both they are thinking that array both are working same. Round will take which value? Nearest value. Truncate, what it will do? Truncate. Truncate means deleting. Delete the decimals. Understood my point here? No? So that point we should understand. And if you see properly, math is a JavaScript object and it is used to perform mathematical calculations only on numbers. Understood my point? So for characters, can we do the operations? No. It will do mathematical operations on numbers. So if in interview, if anybody asking you, what is math object, explain them.